ಈಗ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ 5 years ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ
8 lordships 8,38,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ my lordship still now.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ.
And my lord,
Doctrine of sameness in respect of the same, my lord.
the investigation papers, my lord.
I am for the petitioner accused.
4 contentions, my lords. One is B report which was filed. We don't have a complaint on either end, my lords. Initially it's an FIR, later it's a protest memo. There is no complaint, and on that protest memo, cognizance taken. That would be one legal submission, my lords. Now the second would be, my lords, the order of rejection of this B report is not in accordance with Ravi Kumar's case, my lords. The third would be, my lords. I'm sorry.
We'll send it back.
And third is, my lords, matter which is purely of a civil nature.
That we'll see. If the first 2 grounds are there, we'll send it back.
My lords, the third is, my lords. No, but if there's no complaint, it can't be sent back, my lords. Now, if there's no complaint, cognizance, everything goes. My lords, either end, there should be a private
We'll
complaint.
see. We'll answer that.
My lords, that I think is covered by
No.
Abhinav Kare's
The
case. and-
accused cannot walk away with technicalities like this.
Alla.
There is merits, you tell.
No, my lords, I will even deal with the merits. I will
These
deal.
technicalities, I will
Because even suit
definitely
was
send it back.
filed, suit was dismissed on the ground of
All-
arbitration. I will
all-
all that.
If it's a matter on merit, you tell.
Yes, my
Let
lords.
him come.
I-
Yes. No, you can't when your advocate is there. Yes.
And my lord,
Doctrine
I
of
just
sameness
pass on
in respect
the-
of the same, my lord.
the investigation papers, my lord. Two majors, my lord, bring to.
No, is it on the same cause of action or
This
different?
ground was already urged, my lord, before this honorable court in other petition, which has been dismissed, not may just may not pass on. But I will bring to your lordship pay notice what is the actual difference, but then before that, my lord. Now kindly have a look at, not page number 4, my lord, of this memo. Now, this is the memorandum of criminal petition filed by this very petitioner,
Hmm.
but in criminal petition 2916 of 2024, wherein not he had challenged
FIR. huh?
FIR. Kindly come to not page 10. Page 10, paragraph number 8. Ink page 10, para 8.
You have produced it, my lord.
Allow me ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Hmm.
The petitioner submits, not your lordship. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಪಿಟಿಷನಲ್ ಅವೇರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Hmm.
That has been considered, not that this honorable court, not at page 20, not was pleased to dismiss, not his criminal petition 2916 of 24, not holding, not that paragraph number 11, at page, ink page 28.
ಅದು 482 ಬೇಲ.
482 ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್
Hmm.
ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 482 petition, his anticipatory bail petition not was already rejected.
Hmm.
In spite of that, not this honorable court would show indulgence, not and would grant him bail while disposing of the petition.
Ah.
Not at page 30, your lordship
Then you
will find.
state challenge.
State challenges say, not as against the that portion of the order, granting him bail not was stayed.
No,
The
not
apex court at
entire
page
order is
32.
stayed.
Hmm.
Not
Order.
entire
They
order is
stay
stayed.
against the implementation of the impugned order. Implementation comes.
One minute. Shriki connected. Yes, sir.
Now, not subsequently, not
Else.
That is the only ground, my lord.
and my lord,
Doctrine
I
of
just
sameness
pass on
in respect of the same, my lord.
the investigation papers, my lord.
Crimes,
But
my
the
lord.
IO,
Their allegation is same in both. Not this is only on, my lord, the legal.
Prima facie.
the difference will not
Without
between.
connivance, he could not have operated all this at
I
all.
show the difference, my lord. I have prepared a chart, not the IO.
Yes,
These are the investigation papers.
yes.
Madam.
We'll continue. Yes. 2:30.
Please.
We'll continue this matter on later.
Please, madam, please.
ಈಗ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ 5 years ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ.
Loan taken is 4.5 crores, including 50 lakh of OD. As on 2018, it gets declared as NPA. 5.5 crores loan. In March of 2023, I was given an offer of OTS to make the entire 5.5 crores, no interest. 2023, I make an offer, I make 50 lakh deposit also, which is accepted by the bank. Subsequently, bank goes back on that offer. I am before your lordships. During the pendency of the matter, my lord, I have paid to the bank 6 crore 17 lakh. Their contention as on 5/10/2023 before this court is 9 lakh is outstanding.
No,
9 crore is outstanding.
No, that is between you and the bank. I will not.
Including what I have paid. I have produced a memo of calculation. Before coming to court, I have paid 2 crore 97. In total, my lord, I have paid 8 crore 97. whatever, my lord, the petitioners are husband and wife. They have sold everything they have within their possession. There is no money which is available with them now to even make any payment, my lord. On the other hand, my lord, the restaurant and bar which is in their possession from 2020, admittedly, from past 4 years, he needs at least 1 crore to revive this business because it's a bar and
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
restaurant.
ಓಡಿ
blocked.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Now, it is like if your lordship sends
ಅವರೇ
us back, my
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
lord,
ಓಡಿ.
if your lordship sends us back, it's a lamb and a lion situation. I will have no say in that.
ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
If bank, my lord, we would request your lordships to
Madam,
put a
I
quote
can't,
to
I
this.
can't stop the hands of the bank saying that don't initiate any process. I will only record everything.
Please, my lord.
I will record everything, your payment and everything. If they initiate, you always have a remedy.
Please, my lord. 9
Yes.
crore because memo of calculation.
All,
is filed.
all that I will record now.
Please.
I am not just closing the petition like that. Don't, you should also, ಈ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್. Now, for this amount of 6 point something, you had to struggle for 4 years to do it. You got it. ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿತ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್.
ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. That direction also I will give. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. They came before the court. It's all right. It's always that when the cup of woe comes to the brim only then they will come. That's all right. Alivargo they will be playing with the law.
Like directions issued by this lordship, your lordships, my lord, we have followed it to the T. There is no violation. Your lordships directed us to pay 1
Followed
crore.
it to the teeth.
T.
Why is he fighting tooth and nail then?
My lord, because he is not accounting for the 3 crores which are paid.
Yes.
My lord, I have filed the memo of calculation. No objection or no response to that.
I'll pass a detailed order. ಏನಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ 5 years ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ. That is always open. I have said everything is open. It is open. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ whenever you initiate proceedings, you shall bear in mind the
8 lordships, 8,38,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ my lordships still now.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ.
There is 1,83,000 amount due my lordships.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Lords,
Order,
ಅದನ್ನೇ
my lord. Interim order my lordships.
Lords, may I just submit this?
Kindly
So I
go to
filed a
page
memo.
number
As on the date of the grant of interim order, what was the amount?
May I just submit?
1 minute. What was the amount granted by the court?
Lords, that was
For
10,000
10,000
per
my
month.
lordship.
1 minute. Oh, really? 10,000.
Yes,
What is the date of the order?
Lords, that is dated. Lords, 17th of June 2023.
17 June?
2023. Since then, Lords, I have
That is
paid.
the final order my lordship. That is the final order my lordships.
Interim maintenance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ? madam?
Interim 2016 ಅಲ್ಲಿ my
Date ಹೇಳಿ.
lordships. One second.
2016 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರು?
8,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
We have come up in appeal,
ಹಾ.
writ petition. So it has 10,000 has been 2,000 has been enhanced and 10,000 has been
10,000
granted.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, my lordships.
So that order was not set aside.
No, my lordships.
So 2016 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Lords, 6,70,000. Lords, I have filed a
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
memo.
ಮೇಡಮ್? 2016 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
My lordships.
The problem, Lords, is that they don't file a statement. Lords, I spoke to my
filed,
learned
lordships,
friend.
one second, my lordships. I'll give you the copy of the order.
Madam,
The
ಎಷ್ಟು
magistrate court.
arrears ಇದೆ from 2016 till today? Please tell me.
8, my lordships, 8,38,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ my lordships still now.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೌದು.
at 10,000 rupees.
Yes, my lordships.
How much has he paid?
He has paid only 6,30,000 my lordships according to his
Point
statement. my lordships.
Remaining, sir?
Lords, I'll instruct my colleague.
Yes.
Client to pay.
My lordships, I wanted to produce only this copy, my lordships. Kindly go to this copy, my lordships. This is the order passed by the magistrate court, my
ಕೊಡಿ
lordships.
madam.
As on that day, my lordships, 2,80,000 was pending, my lordships. As on that day, my lordships,
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
1,83,000 ಇದೆ.
Very good.
Yes, list on 13.
I am for the petitioner accused, my lord.
Settle.
The offences are under section 138 and 142 of negotiable instruments act.
Yes, madam.
The offences are under section 138 and 142 of negotiable instruments acts, my lord.
So
I am for the petitioner accused, my lord.
settlement ಗೆ ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
No, settlement interchange ಆಗಿದೆ, so last date it was one for hearing and one for settlement. Morning, fourth matter is like interchange.
Oh, interchange ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? List after 2 weeks.
My lord, This
Or
is
list on
for-
Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes, next.
130?
Next.